Hey guys, wanted to do this quick video to show you the cookies I just made. These are chocolate chip raisin oat cookies. So I'm going to go ahead and post the recipe underneath this video, but I want to go ahead and show you how they came out. They came out super good. It's got coconut sugar, it's got oats, it's got chocolate chips, raisins, cinnamon. I put coconut oil at the bottom so they wouldn't stick. And I put chocolate chips on the top just to make it look a little bit, a little bit prettier. The first batch that I made, they came out like this. They didn't have the chocolate chips on top. But these are really good. They're really airy. I can go ahead and open up one of them for you. It's super soft. You can see the back of it. And they're super soft, guys. Super soft. These came out a lot airier than the other cookies that I made. So hopefully you guys like the recipe. Thanks so much for watching. And I'll talk to you guys soon.